A very good evening, students. I hope you all are well at home. So, today we will start chapter 3 of Welcome Life. Chapter is Gratitude and Love Towards Elders. So, here is one poem related with this chapter. So, let's start. For elders have great respect as they love us a lot. हमें अपने बड़ों के प्रति आदर की भावना रखनी चाहिए, उन्हें आदर देना चाहिए क्योंकि वो हमसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं. लुक आफ्टर अस डे एंड नाइट, वो हमेशा हमारा दिन रात हमारा ध्यान रखते हैं. सो टू फॉलो दैम ट्राई टू बी नाइस, और हमें भी उनको हमेशा फॉलो करना चाहिए और कोशिश करनी चाहिए अच्छा बनने की. टू हैव सम ग्रेट एडवाइस, और उनसे अच्छी जो है एडवाइस लेनी चाहिए. बिकॉज दे मेक अस वेरी वाइज, क्योंकि उनकी सलाह जो हमें बहुत बुद्धिमान बना देती है. ऑलवेज दे टीच अस गुड मैनर्स एंड पाथवे, जो एल्डर्स हैं हमारे बड़े हैं वो हमेशा हमें अच्छी आदतें सिखाते हैं और सही राह पर चलना सिखाते हैं. एंड एक्सप्रेस देयर लव इन अ यूनिक वे, और अपना प्यार वो एक अद्भुत एक अलग ही अंदाज से प्रकट करते हैं. बाई शेयरिंग नॉलेज एंड टेलिंग स्टोरीज एवरी डे, हमेशा वो हमें जो हमारे साथ अपना ज्ञान शेयर करते हैं, हमें स्टोरी सुनाते हैं. एल्डर्स हैव ऑर्नामेंट्स ऑफ विजडम, जो बड़े हैं जो एल्डर्स हैं वो ज्ञान का भंडार है. दैट वी फॉरगेट टू वेयर सेल्डम, और जो हमें अज्ञानता से दूर रखते हैं. वी शुड लर्न ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंसेस फ्रॉम, हमें उनसे बहुत सारी एक्सपीरियंसेस सीखने चाहिए, उनसे ज्ञान लेना चाहिए. एज एल्डर्स आर ग्लोरी ऑफ आवर होम, क्योंकि जो एल्डर्स हैं वो हमारे घर की शोभा है. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, हमेशा ये ध्यान रखो. बिहेव रिस्पेक्टफुली, आदर के साथ जो है उनके साथ बिहेव करो. टॉक थैंकफुली, लिसन केयरफुली टू योर एल्डर्स. ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, to show respect towards our elders and to be grateful to them is an excellent virtue. We should always respect our elders, our grandparents and parents. We should always keep in mind their experiences, hard work, their efforts, sacrifices, struggles, and the hardships faced by them. We should always be thankful to them for the tireless efforts they make for our well being. We can express our respect towards them through our feelings, kind words, and our expressions full of love and warmth. Okay, dear students, our elders, our parents do lot of us. Okay, they do lot of hard work, efforts, sacrifices, struggles, hardships only for us. Okay, so it's a duty to show our respects towards them through our feelings, kind words, and our expressions full of love and warmth. Okay, dear students, now here you have to write down the names of your family members and paste their pictures in the spaces provided below. Okay, so gratitude, how could we show our gratitude towards our elders? हम कैसे अपना gratitude show कर सकते हैं अपने elders के प्रति? Dear students, we should always be thankful to our grandparents, parents, and other elders in the family. Why should we always be thankful to our grandparents, parents, and other elders in the family? Because of their continuous efforts for the betterment of the family. We must express our selfless love and gratitude towards them for their tireless efforts and struggles. Okay, so how do you show your love and respect towards your parents, grandparents, and other elders relatives? So I have written here some points that how should you show your love and respect towards your parents, grandparents, and other relatives. So number 1 is we will always respect them, and number 2, we will always follow their advice, And number 3 is we will always thankful to them for their selfless love. And number 4 is we will always help them in their work. And number 5 is we will take care of them. Okay, and we should spend quality time with our elders and listen to stories as well as their memorable childhood incidences and their valuable experiences of life. Okay, so you should have to spend time with your elders. Okay, so dear children, shown below are the ways to thank our grandparents, our parents, and others elders in the family. So here is written some ways to show gratitude towards your elders: by assisting, by serving, by using soft, kind words, by being obedient, by being thankful, by showing respect, by spending quality time, by inquiring about health, by speaking politely. Okay, so there all are the points with whom you should show gratitude towards your elders. Now, points to remember. Dear students, always remember the following essential points while respecting your grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and other elders in the family. Read out the following statements, put a correct sign against the statement that are correct for you. Okay. Now, number 1 is I respect my elders. If you respect your elder always, then tick on the always. If you respect your elders sometimes, then tick on the sometime. If you respect your elders never, then tick on the never. Okay, so here are written some points. If you do these things always, then you have to tick on the always, and if you do these things sometimes, then you have to tick on the sometime, and if you do these things never, then tick on the never. Okay, so number 1 is I respect my elders. So I respect my elders, that's why I tick on the always. Number 2, I speak politely with my elders, always. Number 3, I carefully listen to my elders. Yes, I carefully listen to my elders, so I tick on the always. Number 4, I obey my elders, always. Number 5, I often use words like thank you, sorry, and please while talking to my elders. Yes, always. Number 6, I help my family in household chores, always. I spend quality time with my elders, always. Number 8, I inquire about the health of my elders, always. I share my knowledge about health and hygiene with my elders, always. I discuss issues like conservation of the environment with my elders, always. Whenever my mother cooks food for me, I express my gratitude. Yes, I always express my gratitude whenever my mother cooks food for me, always. So 12, I present handmade cards and gifts to my elders on special occasion, always. I discuss my problems and take the advice of my elders, always. 14, I happily thank my elders whenever they give to me something, always. 15, I am fond of the affectionate blessings of my elders, always. Okay, so if you tick on the never, then count 1 point. If you tick on the sometime, then count 2 points, and if you tick on the always, then you have to count 3 points. Okay, so I tick on the always, and so now count your points. So I got 15 points because I tick on the 15 statements on always. So would you like to improve your score? Yes. What efforts would you make to enhance your score? क्या efforts करोगे आप? I will always respect my elders in all possible ways. Okay, so calendar of gratitude. Now here is some calendar of gratitude. Here is a calendar of gratitude. Okay, dear students, although we should always be grateful to our elders, yet we can prepare our special calendar of thankfulness to express our sincere thanks and gratitude towards our parents as well as elders and suggested below. Okay, so day grateful to whom, why, how. Okay, so यहाँ पे आप लिखा हुआ है. So here are the name of your family members. Grateful to whom and why should you grateful to them, and how should we show our gratitude. So day 1 is Monday. My mother, she works continuously. ठीक है, my mother works continually. So how should I show my gratitude? We always shows gratitude towards her. Okay, so Tuesday, my father, he always take care of family, so by giving him her some present. My grandfather, दादाजी, he tells us stories. Okay, हमें स्टोरी सुनाते हैं by helping him. My grandmother, दादी जी, she takes care of us. So how should I show my love and respect for her? By helping her. My maternal grandfather, my maternal grandmother, you also write here same points just like that, grandfather and grandmother. Okay, and last one is my other elders, so they also take care of us. So how should we show our respect for our elders? By never disrespecting them.